Hi, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Charm and I upload videos about work from home, personal finance, and snippets into my daily life. And for today's video, I'm going to talk about a lending company. But before we go any deeper, just a quick disclosure, I am not a financial advisor and the content of this video is just for informational and educational purposes only. So please do your own research, or you have to consult a licensed financial professional before making any financial decisions. So now, if you're ready to find out more about this lending company, then please keep on watching. So ito na nga, I'm actually gonna talk about Cash Express. Cash Express is not one of those OLAs. It's not an online loan app, and they don't have a working app that's available sa Apple Store and Google Play. So I didn't really know about it until very recently. Siguro approximately 2 weeks ago, a digital marketing officer, sabi niya, from Cash Express reached out to me through my Facebook page, and she was asking me if I was interested with a partnership with them. But just to set your expectations, just a disclosure, I am not paid to do this. I'm not paid to record this video. I'm basically just taking or grabbing the opportunity to make this video out of Cash Express. I wanted to explore and learn more about Cash Express, to add this to your list of mga pag-uutangan. Just in case, if ma-reject man kayo sa iba, baka pwede kayo dito. So, let's go and take a look. You can see my screen right now, and I actually checked just a few minutes before I started recording this if they're regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, but unfortunately they are not. But if you look at, let's see if you can, ito na lang, gawin natin. Here we go. So upon checking, they actually go by Cash Express Philippines Financing. Cash Express Philippines. So the company details, they go by Cash Express Philippines Financing Inc. They are definitely registered in SEC as a financing company, and they have been registered since 2019. There, date registered. So definitely it's legit. And according to their website, if we go back here, they claim, so with Cash Express daw, it's fast, easy, and convenient. Quick approval in 5 minutes. Tapos it says loan amount up to 20,000. But when you check over here sa itaas, loan amount, 10,000 lang yung max if you are new, if bago ka lang dito. Kasi if I move it over here to the right, it says only for repeated clients. So, hindi tayo pwede dyan. I think the max that you can get or apply for if bago ka lang sa Cash Loan Express is just 10,000. And, hindi muna tayo mag-a-apply ng loan dyan. Let's go over here. It says you only need one document. So, probably just one government ID or maybe a pay slip or any proof na you're capable of repaying your loan. So Cash Express advantages. As mentioned, it's easy, simple, and quick solution at the tip of your fingers. Apply anywhere you are, and only one document is needed. Tapos it says advanced and secured. They claim that your data is safe with them. They utilize advanced digital tools to ensure that your data is protected. They carry the National Privacy Commission seal of accreditation. And it says, again, fast and convenient. It only takes 5 minutes. Now, how do you get your loan? Apparently, you have two options. You can either add your banking information, so you can have the funds, once approved, you can have it dispersed directly to your bank account, or you can receive it via your digital wallet, like, Maya or GCash, And to repay it, you can just repay your loans via online banking, and you can also extend your loan due date. Okay, so here are 3 steps. The first one, you have to register. Create your profile and fill out the application form. May link naman dito sa baba, meron din dito sa itaas. And then step 2, you get verified. Take our call and wait for the decision in just minutes. So here, you have to wait for someone from Cash Express Philippines to call you, and they would normally just ask for, the usual thing when you apply for a credit card. For example, like they're just gonna verify the information that you have provided, like your name, your employment status or something, or your monthly salary and stuff like that. So just make sure that you're giving them the same information na ilalagay mo doon sa application loan form nila. And then step 3, get credited. Once approved, money is transferred instantly to your chosen bank account or pwede din sa GCash nyo. Customer testimonials. Okay, magbasa tayo ng isa lang. The service is good and the process as well, since you give a 0% interest for the initial loan, according to Apollo from Cavite. Okay, anyway, here are more information below. Sabi dito, for the loan repayment, minimum is 61 days and the maximum is 90 days. Maximum annual percentage rate is 72.635%. The minimum interest rate is 0 and maximum is 1.99%. That's per day. For example, the first payment period for a loan with a regular payment, 0% per day of the loan body. Let's have, I think here, this is an example. This is how they compute or calculate your first loan with a standard interest rate of 0% per day. So if nag-loan ka ng 1,000 pesos, interest rate is 0% for the first 7 days. So kung nabayaran mo yung 1,000 within that 7-day period, wala siyang tubo. You get to pay it 1,000 pesos lang din. No interest on top of that. But if you go beyond the 7 days, doon na papasok yung pag in-extend mo, and then it's gonna be 1.99% per day. Seems na maliit, but if you actually come to think of it, that's a lot. It's 1.99% per day. So, per day for the following days. Then the final interest payment will be 1,144.6 pesos. And the total payment amount will be 2,144.6 for 61 days. So, nadagdag na yung yung interest. Itong 1,144.6 pesos is just the interest amount na ipapatong nila doon sa hinira mo na 1,000. So, in 61 days or 2 months, yun ang total na babayaran mo. Let's see kung meron pang ibang info dito. I think yun lang mga information na makukuha natin sa website nila. Okay, so final thoughts about Cash Express. I like that it's fast, it's simple, and you only need one document to apply for a loan with them. And I also like the most the 0% interest rate for first-time loan users, or for first-time loan applications. And it's good if, for example, gipit na gipit ka na and you really need some funds and you know 100% sure na meron kang perang darating within that 7-day period, then good. The 0% interest is a good deal if you're able to repay it fast. I also like that it's SEC registered, so that adds another layer of legitimacy. So it's definitely legit. But ang hindi ko nagustuhan sa kanya is 1.99% na daily interest is extremely high. Like, yeah, you might think parang mababa lang siya, but if you come to think of it, malaki yun because it's on a daily basis. Imagine if you only borrowed 1,000 pesos tapos in 2 months, magiging doble na siya. You're gonna have to pay 2,100 something. Yung kanina na mention ko. So, So no, it's not really advisable for me. I wouldn't really take it. But if ever wala kang ibang, options at this point, if you have been rejected several times from other loan apps, then Cash Express definitely is one option that you could consider. Also, I noticed, I checked online, and others reported that you might be getting frequent reminders or pressure when payment is near or is overdue. Expected naman yun, especially if you are delayed with your payments. They'll send you reminders, and some lenders would even call you from time to time. So it's just kind of a hassle, but that's just how it works. So if you are considering Cash Express after everything that I have talked about or shared in this video, just a few tips, like borrow only what you can repay on time. And then use the loan for urgent matters only and not for, wants. Yung mga gusto mo lang bumili ng sapatos and stuff like that. And just make sure to read all the agreement or the terms before agreeing. And if possible, repay the loan early to avoid high interest. Yun na. So, again, that's it for me. And if you have used it before, do let us know in the comment section. I'd love to know your experience, your feedback, para din makatulong sa iba. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!